Finding product is not difficult, but finding a good discount is actually a really hard task. Well, in this video, I'm going to share a really cool extension that let you shop smarter. So the tool is PriceFox. Links are given in the description. Shop smarter, check PriceFox before you pay, and you will be able to get much better discount with this extension. So I'm going to show you how you can add extension. I'm going to show you how you can get discounts. So let's get to my desktop now. Okay, so we are on desktop version right now, and this is the website. This is the extension that is going to change the shopping, the way you used to shop. Now over here, if you see it, PriceFox scans around 2,800 plus electronic products, and on different e-commerce sites and sellers, as you can see. And over here, if you notice, you will see a button that says add to Chrome, and it's free. Believe me or not, it is actually free. Again, the links are given in the description, and I will tap on the add to Chrome over here. Now it works on Chrome, it works on Safari. It is your choice whichever browser you are using, which supports Chrome store. It works on that. Now over here, as you can see, I'm gonna add to my browser over here. So I'm gonna add to browser. It will ask me that should I install the extension. Yes, go and add extension. Now once it's done, it will start installing the extension on your system, and boom, you are good to go. Yes, that's it. That's it. Nothing much crazy. Just in a minute, your amazing extension that is going to help you a lot. So shop smarter, because PriceFox is gonna help you a lot with these things. And over here you are. So for example, I'm gonna go to Amazon because I'm gonna buy something for myself. Maybe I go and find Pixel, or maybe Pixel 10 Pro. Pixel is my favorite, one of my favorite device over here. So I am over here and I'm gonna buy Google Pixel 10 Pro, for example, and I'm gonna share how PriceFox let you shop smarter and how it is going to integrate into, for example, this e-commerce website. So when I'm into this over here, now PriceFox is going to find the best price available. As you can see, now it also shows me that it is available on 5 different stores. So it is my choice if I want to compare the stores, and it is my choice that which store I prefer. Also, it shows me a price history, and along with that, it shows me some different sort of deals. So if I want to grab any sort of deal, you can go and grab a deal that makes, like, amazing deals are available over here other than this device. Now over here, you will see like this is PriceFox completely integrated over here. It also shares low prices at 5 different stores over here. So I can see the specs if I want to. I can see whatever I want to. And from here, I can go and compare 5 prices at 5 different stores. So I'm gonna get into that. So when I go over here, now as you can see, different sort of stores are available. Here are the platforms. More are on Amazon than merchant, delivery, and return policy. And installment option is also available. If you can't go and pay full price, you can choose an installment option, and some more options are available. So it was for $9.49, and if I want to grab it on installment option, I can go for the Walmart, and I'm gonna get it into the Walmart right now. So PriceFox, that allows me to shop smarter, is gonna take me to the Walmart, and as you can see, from $9.49, I am on $8.39, and I'm already paying less $100 less, which is amazing. And from here, I can also go, monthly installment with a OnePay. So this is a really cool extension that allows you to shop smarter and get best discounts, best deals. So I will suggest you to try this out. Again, the links are given in the description. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope to catch you guys in the next video. Until that, take care. Peace out.